Welcome, today I am with Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE and I'll show you how you can remove tempered glass from the display. So at first you have to start from one of the edge. For example, we can make it by using our fingernail and we are going to start from the right upper corner. So take a look right here. Let me just catch focus. Okay, we have to put our fingernail right here, so let's make it right now. Just put it gently and lift a little bit this glass. Right now we have to move for the left corner, so just move your fingernail here and then put another one. Right now we got two fingernails right here, and then just keep lifting this glass. Just simply take it off, do it slowly and try to don't break this glass. Just do it gently. Right now, when it's right here at the bottom, you can just hold it right here in the middle and keep removing. And there it is. As you can see, we don't need any additional accessories. We can make it with our bare hands, basically with our fingernails. So there it is. As you can see, we easily remove the glass from the screen. And right now we stay with this foil that is factory installed on the screen. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.